Hey there everyone, in this video I want to show you how to unlock your iPhone 6s Plus from Sprint to use it on any carrier. Hello everyone, welcome to Cellular Pros. In this channel we do tech reviews and tutorials, so if you're new to the channel I welcome you to subscribe. Alright, let's go right to the video now. Okay, so Sprint right now, this is the only way to do this. There's no factory unlock method for Sprint right now. So I'm going to be showing you how to be able to get it done. So first off, let me show you this phone is from Sprint. So let's go to General, About, Carrier, Sprint. Okay, and the phone is activated. Let's go ahead and remove the SIM card. Alright, so as you can see, it has the Sprint SIM card in there, and let's place in, for example, a T-Mobile SIM card. So let's go ahead and place this one right here, and we'll place it in the phone. Once you unlock it, you can use it with any type of SIM card that you want, as long as it's a GSM SIM card. So the message you're going to get once you install a SIM from another carrier is this right here. It's going to say activation required automatically. We're going to have to try and activate it, so connect to Wi-Fi. And let's follow these steps here. So this is the message we're going to get if your phone is locked to Sprint. It's going to say SIM not supported. Since we installed the SIM card from another carrier, in this example T-Mobile, it's not going to be able to work with the phone because the phone is from Sprint. So I'm going to show you how to unlock your phone. So let's go ahead and remove the T-Mobile SIM card really quickly. Let's put that down. And we're gonna get the unlock chip that we're gonna be using to unlock this phone. Here's the unlock chip. We're gonna have a link in the description down below where you can get this. It's a thin unlock chip like this. We're gonna place it right here on your SIM card tray like this. It's gonna be super thin. All right, so let's go ahead and get the same T-Mobile chip. So you're gonna place it on top of the unlock chip like this. Okay, and we're going to place it gently inside the phone. Okay, so once again, it's going to go to the activation required screen. Go ahead and hit dismiss, hit the home button, connect to Wi-Fi. So once you're here, what we're going to do this time is we're going to hit the home button and we're going to hit emergency call. Here in emergency call, we're going to press star 5005 star 7672 star 0 pound, and then we're going to hit the dial pad. So it's going to take us to this selection right here, this menu. Scroll down and select edit ICCID. Okay, so once you're here, you're going to type in numbers 8901 4103 2795 2915 and then 5450. Once you have that typed in, hit send. It's going to say setup okay, restart your phone now, so hit accept and go ahead and power your phone off. Alright, so the phone is going to power on like this. Go ahead and hit continue. As you can see, it's already reading T-Mobile, and there you go. The phone will be unlocked and activated with another SIM card now. So this one I activated it with T-Mobile. As you can see, it says T-Mobile up at the top. So the phone is now unlocked. So let's go ahead and turn Wi-Fi off now. So you can see that it's even going to pick up the data signal. So let's go to the Safari. Let's open up Google, for example. So as you can see, the internet is working as well. Let's try and make a test phone call.
Welcome to Comcast, home of Xfinity.
There you go, and it's also making phone calls as well. So yeah, that was just a quick video on how to unlock your Sprint iPhone. So remember guys, there's going to be a link in the description where you can get your unlock chip, and also I will always have the updated code to use the unlock chip with. Alright everyone, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope it helped you out. If it did, please give it a like. It really helps the channel out a lot. So that's it for now. I'll see you around in the next video. And as always, peace. Ciao.